I've seen a lot of ways to make money online through YouTube, but this is by far one of the easiest ways. Your work will literally come down to copying and pasting 30 to 60-second long videos and getting paid hundreds of dollars per one, as I will show you in this step-by-step tutorial. So whether you are a complete beginner or someone who has been making some money online for some time now, this will work for you, and you just have to stick around till the end of the video to find out how to set this up correctly. And with all of that said, guys, let's now jump straight into this tutorial. As I said in the intro today, I have a method through which you will be making money online with YouTube, or more specifically, through YouTube Shorts, but since there are so many platforms involved, I really want you guys to stick around so you know what to do. The first thing I want to show you is someone doing something somewhat similar to what you will be doing and making a lot of money online. This channel here is called Tropia, and it has 800,000 subscribers as of now. It's a decently popular channel that gets quite a bit of view on these videos, as you can see. The videos themselves are all top 5, top 10, top 20, and so on type videos, so you have 30 most beautiful cities in the world, 30 greatest man-made wonders in the world, and so on. Let me show you one video from the channel so you see how they are actually made. This video here is the most popular video of the channel, and it's called 25 Best Places to Visit in Europe. And if I play the video, you guys would see that nobody is showing their face on camera whatsoever, and the footage used in the video consists of royalty-free videos and images. Sometimes, so in essence, the entire video here consists of clips that the owner downloaded online for absolutely free, and then compiled them all in a single. The video is 25 minutes long, as simple as that. The only thing that the video has apart from these clips is a voiceover on top and some music in the background, and yet despite its simplicity, this video has gotten nearly 9 million views. This goes to show you that people love these kinds of videos. They are simply put popular, which is why I think you should create similar videos. Before we go on with this tutorial, it's noteworthy that you can actually create a YouTube channel like this and indeed get a decent number of views. The reason I think you should make shorts in the same fashion, though, is because these videos are all long. A short, meanwhile, is no longer than 60 seconds, and so the amount of work you will put in per video will be much smaller, and the shorts will, nevertheless, have a potential to go viral and get a lot of views, just like some of these videos have. If I go over to Social Blade, you will be able to see that the previously shown channel is making a decent amount of money online, anywhere from $1,000 all the way up to $23,000. As this is a broad estimate, we can safely estimate the money earned per month at $10,000, which is very much decent. On Social Blade, you can also see stats like the number of views gained daily, and I wanted to show you this to reiterate my previous point that people love these types of videos. As you can see, on average the channel gets nearly 200,000 views daily, which is just crazy, and it just goes to show you how much potential there is to make money from these types of videos. And so with all of that said, let me now walk you through the entire process and show you how you can create similar videos and turn them into shorts. The very first step would be the video idea. So you need to think of what kind of video you want, and for that purpose, I would recommend actually using this channel or similar channels to this one and see the most popular videos. Just as an example, this channel had uploaded a video about Italy a while back, and the video did really well, so I will run with that example. Once you have the video idea, the next step is to go over to a website called pexels.com. This is a place where you can download and use free of charge both images and videos, which makes it the perfect site for us. What you will do is simply type in what video you want in the search bar. In my case, I typed in Italy, as you can see, and I have a bunch of these beautiful looking photos and videos to use. Keep in mind that you don't need only videos in your short. You can add a few images that are zooming in or out as well. What you can also do if you want to is use photos alone as well. That would work too. This decision I will leave up to you guys, since using photos or videos will work pretty well no matter what. Either way, your goal now is to find videos and or images that would be sufficient for a 60-second long short. When you find what you like, all you have to do is hover your mouse over it, and then click on this arrow right here, and then rinse and repeat until you have enough footage. And just like that, with no more than 10 minutes worth of work, you already have the footage for your video. Just goes to show you why you wanna focus on shorts in particular. They are simply much easier to make than your regular video. The next thing required from here is a voiceover. And here I would recommend you all do the voice yourself. The reason being is that the video is short and so you won't be talking for a long time. But if you still don't want to do it yourself or worse, yet you don't have a microphone, then you can just use Upwork.com to find someone to do it for you. What you want to do when you come on a Canvas is first to sign up. You will need to click on the Sign Up button, which should be located right over here. And you will then need to log into your new account. And when you do that, your next step from here would be to click on Video right here and then on Mobile Video. Doing so will now take you over to the editor. And as you can see, I have already done some things to make this a bit easier to explain. What you will have to do first, guys, are open up the videos and/or photos from your PC. To do so, just click on Uploads. Here, then on Upload Media, and open them up. I have opened up 2 clips, as you can see, for simplicity's sake. To now compile them in a single short, what I need to do is just click on the first video here, and it will now be displayed as you can see. And now to make this better looking, I need to just drag it like so until it fills the entire screen so it doesn't have white bars all around it. To add the second video, I just have to click on this plus icon here and then select the second video, and as you can see, in basically a minute I have turned 2 separate videos in a single video that is in the correct resolution and can be uploaded on YouTube as a short. Do keep in mind, guys, that you should invest more time into this. If you didn't use a voiceover, you will add text through Canvas by clicking on the text here, and you also want to make sure your video is no longer than 60 seconds. If it is, then you can shorten it by clicking on it, and then on these scissors up here. Just play a bit with Canvas and try to make the best video you possibly can. The next step from here, guys, would depend on whether or not you used a voiceover or went along with the text. If you decided to use the text, then you can simply click on the download button here, download this to your PC, and then upload it onto YouTube as a short. But if you decided to use a voiceover, then you do need a video editor to combine the voice with the actual footage. What I would recommend using the most is a software called OpenShot. It's free to download. A video editor that is perfect for you guys, since you don't need anything too sophisticated. I will now show you in Sony Vegas just what you will have to do. This is literally what you need to do. Just open your video you got from Canvas and add the audio above or below it. Doesn't matter really, and just make sure the audio and video are in sync. And if they are, just render the video and then upload it onto YouTube. But here's the important part. Make sure it's in the correct resolution as a short, which is 1080x1920. With that done, just go ahead and upload it onto YouTube as a short, and you will rinse and repeat this process for as many videos as you can. And there's a huge chance you would get a decent number of views after some time and start making money online by literally uploading 60-second long videos. That is not even your own to begin with. If you learned something from this video and liked it overall, then smash the like button down below in appreciation, and also make sure you check out the videos that will pop up on the screen in a moment. If you don't want to miss out on the content that is sure to come, then be sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications in YouTube. We'll notify you whenever I upload a new video. As always, thanks for watching and see you all soon in some of the upcoming videos.